Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Lynn's Lifestyle Living. Today I am here to participate in an open collab hosted by Kimberly Davis of A Blessed Home with Kimberly Davis. And this collab is called the Summer Coffee Beverage Collab. Now, what Kimberly wanted us to do was style or decorate our coffee or beverage bar. So if you have not checked out Kimberly's channel, I will leave her channel link down in my description box below. Please go by and check her out because she does some beautiful home decor and she loves her family. So make sure you stop by and check Kimberly's channel out. So yeah, we were to just style our coffee or beverage bar. And so for those of you who may watch my channel, you know that I just put up a video styling the coffee station, but that's okay because I knew I was going to do a refresh anyway, and I was waiting on some items to come in, and those items made it here, and so I was super excited to jump in on this collab. So those items made it here, and they are some items that I ordered for my coffee station. So just been kind of playing around with my coffee station. So yeah, those items made it here, so I was able to jump in on this collab because I did a refresh on my coffee station. All right, so guys, so if you're interested in seeing how I decorated my coffee station, beverage station for the summer, then you know what to do. Please keep on watching. All right, y'all, so here is my coffee station slash beverage bar. This is a very small space, but I dedicated this space to my coffee station. So let me just tell you what I got going on this station. So back here in the back, you see I have 2 gold vases, and I just added some yellow tulips in there. I ordered these tulips from Amazon. The vases I already had. Over here, I have some tea packets with these little beautiful crystal teacups. And we just have some green tea with the lemon flavor. I have some chamomile, vanilla, herbal tea with honey. Back there we have a cozy chamomile herbal tea. And up front we have the perfect peach herbal tea. So yeah, this is just a little, I call it my little tea station right here with these teacups. And we just have some napkins right here. And I have them sitting on this little gold tray that I purchased from Home Goods. All right, let's come over here. Up here, I have this But First coffee sign that I got from, I believe I got this from Burlington's. And when I say I was waiting on some items for my coffee station, of course I was waiting on this KEURIG. I already had the KEURIG. I did an unboxing of this KEURIG. If you guys want to go and watch that video, I did an unboxing of this. This is called the K Mini Plus KEURIG, and as you can see, it is very sleek and slim. And I thought it was perfect for this space because, again, this space is very small, but it is very functional. And we just have the power. We have the power button. We have a strong brew button. And then we have our button that we press once we put our K-pod in there. And I ordered this K Mini Plus KEURIG from Amazon. And down here you see I have a gold coffee cup just sitting there, gold and white coffee cup. And over here I have 4 more gold and white coffee cups. Now these cups are so beautiful, y'all. And this is the package that I'm talking about that just came in. I ordered these coffee mugs from Wayfair. So they just arrived a couple of days ago, and I was super excited to get them. And I actually have 5 sitting here, but they came in a set of 6. All right, and I have them sitting here on this, as you can see, this little marble tray with the gold handles. I got this tray from Target, and I believe it was $5. And then over back here, I have my cake dome, gold cake dome, right here with some little muffins in there, snacks in there to go with our coffee. And I've been had this cake stand for a while now. I have put it in a lot of videos, but I have this cake stand right here. And then I just have a candle sitting here just for decor purposes. I will not light it. And we have a mat here just for any spillage that anyone may waste. So yeah, this is our coffee station right here. Now I know you guys may be saying, well, where's our coffee and where's our sugar and where's our cream? Now, because this space is so small, let me show you where I house the coffee and the cream and the sugar. So I have everything right here in this drawer. So I just keep all the teas. As you can see, I have all of my teas right here. We have the coffee right here. We have some cream. And we have some hot chocolate paws as well. And a couple of little wafer snacks back there. So in this drawer, because the space is so small, but yet it is still functional, I keep all of the coffee and creams and sugars and teas in this drawer right here. So this is where I house the coffee at. And I forgot to mention to you guys, on this K Mini Plus KEURIG, it does have a container. It has a container, I will show you in just a minute, that fits right underneath there real neatly, where you can store extra K pods in there. Let me show you. Alright, so here is what the KEURIG looks like if you was to put the K pod storage into place. And again, this is the K Mini Plus from Amazon. And it fits, again, it just fits neatly in place under the coffee pot here. So I thought it was very sleek, very slim, and I am loving it. Alright, y'all, this is how I styled out my summer coffee beverage bar. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Leave me a comment and share the video out. If you're a return subscriber, welcome back. You know that I love and appreciate your support. And if this is your first time stopping by, hello and welcome. My name is Lynn, and I do hope that you decide to stay by clicking that subscribe button and joining my family, Lynn's Lifestyle Living. Don't forget to turn on your notification bell so that you will see all of my new uploads. And I also want to give a big thanks to Kimberly Davis for hosting this wonderful collab. Alright guys, until next time, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. And I hope to see you in my next video.